they shouldn't be wasted, or spark plugs shouldn't be wasted. So I went ahead and took those out and cleaned it up because it did flood a little bit. So I let that dry out, and then I want to go ahead and check. We checked for sparks. We checked for we checked fuses. We also checked. What else did we check? We didn't check combustion, but we knew it wasn't a combustion issue. It just couldn't have been. So ultimately, you know, we went ahead and decided that we were gonna go ahead and clean all the grounds. So we went ahead and did all that. We cleaned grounds. Over here, my battery terminal, we went ahead and just make sure everything was clean. Make sure that was clean as well right there. And then I also noticed that my starter, this female connector here that goes to the starter, I believe it gives it power. It was all green. It was pretty green, pretty nasty. So I went ahead and cut all that wire out, all that old wire, and I traced it back all the way here. Just got rid of all that green, all that ugly, and just bought some new electric ground cable for this. And we did a clean connection there, another clean connection, and then you know, make sure we make sure all our fuses were good, nothing was blown. And then I also, you know, while we took this off, we also took off all the intake, you know, just to make sure everything was good too, because we checked the injectors. Injectors were shooting fine. Fuel was good. I went ahead and replaced the fuel pump. So the fuel pump was working fine. Everything was good, but it was cracked from here. My old one was cracked from here. So honestly, I thought it was a fuel pump at first, but I went ahead and replaced it, and it still wasn't starting. So I knew it was happening. I would have to check up there. So this is brand new, but check it. If it is like leaking, if it is cracked, you want to go ahead and replace it, because if not, your car will smell like gas, and you know, the pressure will be off. It's better just replace it. I went ahead and did I did an Amazon part. Honestly, you know, if I had time, I would have gone pulled it or something. You know, I like to go to junkyards, but sometimes you gotta save a little bit of time and stuff, you know. You know, while I was checking, you know, we also make sure everything was aligned, because, you know, me and my friend thought it could have been the motor would have been the camshaft and all that stuff.